everyone. Welcome back to the last episode of the Fitness on Campus series. In today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 tips that'll teach you how to eat healthy in social settings. Tip number 1 is to plan your outings in advance. I suggest scheduling 1 to 2 times per month where you get together with your friends, whether it is to a bar or a restaurant. That way you can indulge and hang out with your friends, but still stick within your clean eating and healthy living goals. Planning these outings in advance will also allow you to check out the menus online. That way you can choose in advance any healthy options that the restaurant might have. Remember, this is a lifestyle, so you need to leave some wiggle room for hanging out with your friends and enjoying life's little pleasures like cupcakes. Tip number 2, if you do plan on going out, decide in advance what you're going to indulge in. Are you a drinks and dinner type of person, or do you prefer to have dessert after dinner? The reason why I say to plan this in advance is that it helps you minimize the amount of calories you consume in one sitting. If you are going to have drinks with your dinner, then avoid the desserts or the bread that comes out with your meal, because you're already going to be getting a lot of carbs in the drinks that you choose, depending on if they're sugary or if you choose a beer. Then if you're planning on eating desserts, I would say skip the drinks because they are going to have a lot of sugar and you're already getting that sugar when you order the dessert. Remember, weight loss is all about calories in versus calories out. The more calories you avoid eating or the more calories you burn throughout the day, the less weight you will gain. It's all about moderation. If you're someone that prefers not to deviate from their clean eating lifestyle, then I think tip number 3 is perfect for you. What I suggest is eating before you go out with your friends. So if you're someone that eats chicken, broccoli, and rice every night for dinner, have your chicken and rice beforehand and save your greens for the restaurant. That way you can still enjoy having a dinner with your friends by ordering a large salad. If you're over the age of 21, then you are legally able to drink in the United States of America. So tip number 4 has to do with alcohol consumption. Out of all the alcoholic beverages, beer usually contains the most amount of calories and carbohydrates. So if you're gonna go out to have a beer, I suggest going for the lower carb and lower calorie options that are available out there. Most restaurants and bars also have these cocktails that are labeled skinny. Those are your best options because they're usually made with no calorie artificial sweeteners. When in doubt, a good drink option would be to mix some vodka with soda water and add a few squeezes of either lemon juice or lime juice. And then if you carry Truvia packets with you, you can add that inside to give it a little bit of a sweet flavor. This will allow you to have your alcohol of choice, but with the lower calorie option. Another note, remember to stay hydrated because alcohol does dehydrate you. So in between all of your drinks, make sure you're having at least 1 bottle of water. Tip number 5 is the last tip that I'm going to be giving you all today, and it's one of my favorites. It's one of the things that I currently do with my friends. Instead of going out to eat, I'll invite friends over to my house where I have full control over the types of foods that I'm cooking. So that way I never have to deviate from my clean eating lifestyle because I'm controlling the food that's being cooked, what it's being cooked in, and what I'm serving to my friends. What I like to do is to ask them what they prefer to eat, and then I try to make healthier versions of their favorite meals. So that's it. Those are my 5 tips on how to eat healthy in a social setting. I hope you all enjoyed this Fitness on Campus series. I'll be returning to school next week, so I'm going to be using these tips in my everyday life. Thank you all so much for watching my videos. Remember to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. All links are down below. I will see you all next time. Bye. Planning these outings in it. Oh my God. Wah, wah.